we just checked into a 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Wilderness Lodge on the Copper Creek side, technically the Copper Creek Villas. And I wanted to give you a little tour. So when you walk in, you're going to see the kitchen to the left in this layout, at least. You're going to see some shelving. I love that wallpaper detail. Super nice. There's a toaster in there and an ice bucket. In these drawers, you're going to find lots of kitchen utensils, anything you need to cook with. And then you've got your pots and pans in this cupboard. Over here, you'll find a coffee maker, not a Keurig, but that's fine. And then lots of bakeware and Tupperware, strainers, a pitcher, that's locked, microwave, oven, which is so nice. And then all of your utensils, forks, knives, spoons, serving fork, serving spoon. And you've got your trash and recycling right under there. Then if you turn, you're going to see your fridge, which is a refrigerator and a freezer. You've got your sink, which is pretty deep. It's not a double, but it is pretty deep. Sorry, this is my daughter's candy. That doesn't come with the room. And then you've got your mugs, plates, bowls, and your glassware. You even got some wine glasses up there, which is really nice. And then paper towels. And then you've got your dishwasher. And underneath the sink, we've got some drying racks, towels, paper towels, and then some storage space as well. So overall, a lot of kitchen space. And I love that green color. And then if you spin over here, you're going to see your dining room table. So this room does sleep 8. I would say this table probably fits 6, but you could squeeze 8 in there on that bench if you needed to, but I would say it probably comfortably sits 6 people. And then there is some storage under this drawer, which is really cool. I'm probably going to put some shoes there or something. And then over here, you've got your TV, lots of drawers for clothes and storage. And then this bed pulls out, or I'm sorry, this couch pulls out into a bed so you can sleep 2 people there. Got a chair, a desk, the Disney Amazon Alexa, which is really cool. All the rooms are starting to get this new feature, which is really nice. And this cute little artwork. And then this living room area does have a balcony as well. Let me see if I can unlock this. Maybe. All right, this is not cooperating. There we go. All right, so you're gonna see 2 chairs. And then we are on the 6th floor, so this is the view. Not too shabby. Gosh, I could literally look at that lake forever. Okay, let's go back inside. And then right through here, you're gonna see your first bedroom, and that is gonna be the 2 queen bedroom. So you're gonna have 2 queen beds here, so you can sleep 4. This also has a balcony, and it is cut off, as you can see, or sectioned off, so you do have privacy, which is nice. And one of my favorite things about Disney hotels, you've got that under bed storage where you can put your luggage. There's a little dresser right there. Also have this really cool dresser. I love this style. I love how unique the little handles are. I love the coloring and the different sizes. It's so cool to look at. And these drawers are deep. So deep. So I love that. And then it has this little table so you can get some work done, or you could also eat there because that table, again, kind of only comfortably fits 6. And then you've got this huge mirrored wooden farm door, so you can close that if you need to get ready while some people are sleeping in their room, which again, really nice. In the bathroom over here, the first side is going to be one sink, a few drawers for storage, and then you've got your makeup vanity, which if you flip it is a zoom mirror. The closet, really big. Lots of room in here. Really nice. And the other side is going to be exactly the same. I love the double vanity mirror. Nice touch. And then the bathroom. Typical bathroom. And the shower. I like the showers in Wilderness Lodge in the Copper Creek because they have this rain shower and then also the removable nozzle, which is nice. And then you've got your Disney Resort shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in there for you. Nice shower. Okay. And then you've got hooks for towels or your robe and some artwork. All right, and let's make our way over to the master. Which is going to be over here. So in here, you're going to see some closet storage, place to hang, store your luggage, extra pillow and blanket, and a laundry basket, and your iron and ironing board. And then on the opposite side, you've got your laundry, washer and dryer. And then right over here, this little coat rack area where you can store shoes, purses, backpacks, coats, anything you want to. And you've got 2 drawers right there. And then over here to the right is going to be your bathroom. Single sink. Same shower as the other room. They're good sized showers too. And then the pièce de résistance. So first of all, you're going to have a sink with a vanity as well. But these bathtubs, they are so deep and they have the jets coming from the bottom. I love these baths. I used one for the first time when I was in a villa at the Grand Floridian, and I fell in love with the jets coming up from the bottom. I love it. And then this gorgeous art piece, which I think is like the inside of a gem. It's beautiful. And it kind of has like a 3D effect. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but in person, you can definitely see it. It's gorgeous. All right, and then you're gonna come in the master, see some artwork, a nice big mirror. Always love a mirror. And then here is your king size bed. Again, with the storage underneath. And then you're also going to have a little desk with your phone, lamp, another mirror, lots of storage, which I love. And then you're also going to have a bigger storage closet too. Beautiful. And then right here, another balcony, beautiful. Another 2 chairs and this gorgeous view. All right, so that is going to be your 2-bedroom villa the Copper Creek Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. First impressions, I think it's gorgeous, and I am excited to stay here for the week, and I will get back to you all with my full review after we stay.